So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at this food. Like today's food, oh my lord. It looks so good and it tastes so good. Like before I started this video, I was laughing because guys, the amount of thank you mommy I got from this food, only God knows. Like, thank you mommy, you're the best, thank you, with nothing left on the plate. They finish it, clean their plate. There is no one single spaghetti on that plate. The thank you mommy was like hallelujah, you know. So like I was just laughing. I was like, oh my god, this thank you mommy, can it come every day? Every day with every meal? Because if this was a Nigerian food, there is no thank you mommy there. Their face will be like, and they will eat it, but they're not happy eating it. So guys, they are finished, they're happy, they're in their room. So I'm gonna dive in and eat my own as well. I wouldn't say spaghetti is my best meal in the world, but when you got kids, you have to make them happy sometimes. So let's dive in. Oh, but guys, this sauce looks yummy. I must say, it looks very yummy. And look at it. Guys, I enjoy this food though. But in my mind, yeah, I feel like something is missing. And that thing missing is real meat, guys. Like, I feel like I need to chew something with my teeth. Enjoy the meal. There's nothing against the meal. It was delicious, but in my mind, I'm thinking I need something to chew. I need meat. And I think I have meat in my fridge. So let me go and check, right? So guys, I am back with a meat. So this is my cow leg that I cooked earlier for something else anyway. So I just took one of it and I added it in the sauce, and then I warm it up, you know, because I need to eat any kind of meat now. I'm not joking. It's very hot. So yes, I am a bit satisfied now. I don't know what it is with me and meat. I'm not joking. There's some certain meal that I will eat without meat. I'll be wondering what is missing here. You know, if I did not chew that thing at the end of the meal, I feel like something is absolutely wrong. But yeah, because I like to chew meat at the end of the meal. So Yes, it was nice. It was lovely. And I am happy that I made the kids happy today. It gives me joy. It gives me a special joy when they eat my food and appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next one.